Hi everyone. This video is about how to delete a specific file using Python script. I am using Jupyter Notebook to write my script. Go to New and click on Notebook to open a new untitled notebook. First, import OS library using import keyword. Here I am going to use a function with def keyword and naming the function as delete files. Currently, this function has no functionality, just leave it with pass keyword. Starting my code with standard if condition checking name is equal to main. This block is executed only if the script is the main program, not when it is imported as a module. This enables you to structure your code in a way that separates reusable components from executable scripts. I am taking input variable file path, where user can assign the path of the specific file to delete. Call the function delete files with file path as a parameter. Now write the functionality in function delete files. I am using try exception block to catch any exceptions occurring while executing the function. os.path.exists method verifies if the given path is present in the system or not. If present, then remove the file using os.remove and print file is deleted. Else print file path does not exist. Use except block to catch any exception as E and print it as error E. Now I am creating a test files in a test folder to check my script working properly or not. Sorry, I forgot to add parameter in function. With this script, we can only delete files, not folders, so it throws an exception as access denied. Now, you can see test file is deleted successfully. if we try again to delete the same file, it shows as file path not exists. That's all for this video. See you in next video.